Welcome everyone, and in this episode I'm going to be building up and fitting the radiator into the P6. So without further ado, let's do it. Right, so obviously here's the radiator. There's not too many bits to it anyway to build up for. We've got like the cowl, which just sits on the top, and then we've got a couple of brackets. One goes over this side, which I'll put that on in a minute, and then this one here. I'll get these bolted on and then we can drop it in. I've had to adjust this bracket slightly on this radiator, so I don't know whether whoever, because there's a recon rad, I'm not sure why the bracket didn't seem to line up, but there's only a touch out. I wouldn't have thought you'd take it apart that far. Alright, so get that one in, he says. And we just bolt it up. Just a little bit of bracing, I think, just for this top cowl really. Now a bolt. So that's that little bracket on that side. Now we'll move on to the other side. Right, and this side. This is actually an automatic rad, which, you know, it doesn't really matter in my situation, but if you had a manual, no, if you had an auto, you couldn't put a manual rad in it because obviously you wouldn't have the pipes for the oil cooler. But this application, it doesn't matter. Oh, slipped a bit. Right, and that's it. That's a couple of little bits that I need to bolt on before I drop the rad in. The top bracket can go on when it's sat in there. So I'll see you on in the car, or under the bonnet anyway. That's that dropped in, just bolt it in now. Right, so here's the first bolt going in. I've got some rubbers just to sit under it, under here. The original ones had just perished away to nothing, and I couldn't actually find any original ones, so I found some Land Rover Discovery ones which still didn't fit, but I've cut them down so they do fit. And now I can't line the bolt up. Let's try that again, shall we? Cut. No, it's not cut. Let's just get it in there. Trouble is, try and film it. All I can see on the camera is my hand, but hey ho. Right, that's that one started. So go the other side and start that one. Well, there's not much room in here, especially now I put a camera in right in the way. You can probably see more than me. Let's try and get out on there first. Oh, alright, we're nearly there. That's that one started. I will just grab a socket, hopefully I'll find it straight away. Nope. Oh. Ready. Get my long socket down in there. Sorry about bashing the camera. Right, that'll do. I just lift this one out this side. Yeah, right. Just a bracket at the front now, so I'll move the camera again and I'll see you there. Right, so we're at the top now. Right, so this bracket here goes on here now. But the strange thing is, it kind of doesn't look right, but I don't know if you'll be able to pick this up on your phone, but on my phone I mean. But it's kind of, it is how it is. Oh look, we've gone off now. I don't know if you can see, but even when it's right, it don't look right. Unless, I'm going to put it on like it was anyway, but if you know different, then put it in the comments, but I don't know, it just doesn't look very good. I would have thought it'd have had more of an angle like this, but it hasn't. Right, once again I've ended up having to make up some rubbers, which is the other bits that I'd actually cut off of the other rubbers that I'd used. The ones further down, that is. So the idea is hopefully we can get this to line up. It's just very, very weird. Maybe once it starts to do up it'll be okay, but it's very strange. Unless this panel can't be bent, surely. Alright, so that one's started. Right, I'll tighten this one up now. It still looks strange to me. Right, and that's it. That's the radiator in. Hopefully we won't chop our fingers off now on that fan. Excellent. Right. Well, I'm going to put the bottom hose on, but I'm not going to film that. I can't really put the top hose on until I get the manifold on there. So, I think we'll call that it. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.